Hey y'all, Casey here with Merit Tech. On this episode of the Merit Minute, we're going to be going over our service intervals. So first one we're going to start off with is our engine oil. The service interval for that is every 100 hours. The recommended oil for it is SAE 15W40. Next one we're going to be going over is our gearbox. The service for that is every 100 hours, and the recommended oil for that is 85-140. We do recommend the Lucas Oil brand for that one. The next one we're going to be going over is your hydraulic lift pump. That is to be changed every 500 hours, and that is ATF.4. And then the last one we're going to go over is your radiator coolant. That one is to be changed every 500 hours, and it is a 50-50 mix of the green fluid. Thank you. Do you have any comments, questions, concerns? You can refer to the links below right here.